If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Depending on the size and complexity of the database you are creating in Access, you may have multiple navigation forms in the database. Simple databases usually don't require more than one. If you have a main navigation form you want to show when the database users first open the database in Access, you can specify which form to display at startup by changing the database's startup options. To set a database's startup options in Access, open the database and be sure to close all open database objects within it. Then click the File tab in the ribbon. Then click the Options command in the command panel at the left side of the Backstage view to open the Access Options window. In the Access Options window, select the Current Database category at the left side of the window to set properties for the currently open database at the right side of the window. To select the form to show when a user opens the Access database, select the name of the form from the Display Form drop-down. To change the title of the database in Access, type a title for your database application into the Application Title field. To hide the navigation pane in the Access database from its users, uncheck the Display Navigation Pane checkbox that appears in the Navigation section. Then set any additional database startup options as you desire in this window. Then click the OK button at the bottom of the Access Options window. Then click the OK button in the message box that appears to tell you that you must close and reopen the database for the changes to take effect. After applying your new startup options to the database in Access, the next time you or another user opens the database file, it opens the form you selected and applies any other startup settings you specified. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.